Have you ever wished you could see all your financial accounts in one place, right within your Patriot Bank online banking? It's a game changer, and it's easier than you think. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to link external accounts to your Patriot Bank so you can get a complete picture of your finances without logging into multiple sites. So, why would you want to do this? Well, picture this. You've got your checking account with Patriot Bank, a savings account with another institution, and maybe a credit card from a third. Logging in and out of different websites to track your spending and savings is a hassle. By linking them, you create a central hub, making it simple to monitor your balances, track transactions, and manage your money more efficiently. It's all about convenience and control. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First, log into your Patriot Bank online banking portal. Once you're in, look for the Accounts tab in the main navigation menu. Within that menu, you should see an option for external accounts or something similar. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Patriot Bank uses a secure third-party service to connect with other financial institutions. When you click to add an account, you'll be prompted to search for your bank or credit union. You can usually do this by typing in the name. Once you find it, you'll be asked to enter the login credentials for that external account, your username and password. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this safe? Absolutely. Patriot Bank does not store your external login information. The connection is a secure, encrypted link, a one-way street that simply allows the balance and transaction data to be displayed within your Patriot Bank dashboard. Your information is protected, and you remain in control. After you've entered your credentials, the system will securely verify your account. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the verification is successful, your external account will appear on your Patriot Bank dashboard. You'll see the current balance and recent transactions right alongside your Patriot Bank accounts. You can add as many accounts as you need: savings, checking, credit cards, you name it. It's a fantastic way to get a holistic view of your financial health. You can see how your savings are growing, how much you've spent on your credit card this month, and how all your money is working together, all from one convenient location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.